What are we learning? We are learning how to say words in the three genders. Lingani, Pumlingam, Strilingam, Napumsakalingam. And then Vachanam, the number. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Right? So in Sanskritam, when you form a sentence and you are referring to the same thing, all the words which refer to the same thing have to match because they are referring to the same thing. Right? That is the logic.
Yes.
Say, Yeshaha Balakaha, Yeshaha Krishnaha. Yeshaha is referring to Krishnaha, Krishnaha also is referring to Krishna, same thing. So they have to match. Match in what? Lingam and Vachanam. So, the Sarvanama Padani. We learned the Sarvanama Padani. Yeshaha, Yetau, Yete. Pumlinge. Pumlinga Shabdaha. Saha, Tau, Te. Pumlinga, if the thing is away. Strilinga, Strilingam. Right? Lingam, Linga, Strilinge. Yesha, Yete, Yetaha. If they are away, Sa, Te, Taha. Strilinge. Napumsakalinge. Rupani, Yetat, Yete, Yetani. At, Te, Tani. And then the question words. Right? Question words. Pullinge. Kaha, Kau, Ke. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Krishnaha. Yeshaha Balakaha. Yetau Kau, Yetau Balakau. Yete Ke, Yete Balakaha. Yeshaha Yetau Yete. Kaha, Kau, Ke. That's what you did just now in the last exercise. You converted an answer into a question. How do you do that? Suppose the answer is Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Balakaha. If the question is Yeshaha Kaha, you will say Yeshaha Balakaha. So, given a question, Tat Kim, Tat Kim, even in the question sentence, the words have to match. Tat, Napumsakalingam, Ekavachanam. Kim, Kim, Ke, Kani. Tat Kim, Tat Nakshatram. If the question is Tat Kim, Prashnaha, Uttaram Kim Bhavati. Uttaram means answer. Tat Nakshatram. If the answer is Tat Nakshatram, the question will be Tat Kim. How do I figure it out? Easy. Two things. Lingam Kim, Vachanam Kim. And you have the table, right? You don't have to remember. You will automatically memorize by doing homework, by participating in the class, listening to it. If you repeatedly listen to it and do homework, right? And remember, when you do the homework, even in the class, you say it loud. We are learning the language here. So it is not for writing down and putting here. No, it is for speaking. In the class, you say it loud. As I am saying, you can say it loud. Be muted, but repeat after me. And even when you do the homework, you read the sentences loud, so you hear them. Then gradually, over a period of time, you will memorize without you knowing it. Okay. So how to match this? Simple. You have all the forms. Yeshaha Yetau Yete, Yesha Yete, Yetaha Yetat Yete Yetani. Table is there. Sahataute, Sate Taha, Tatte Tani. The table also is in the book. Kaha Kauke, Kake Kaha, Kimke Kani. That is also in the book. Then what do you have to do? You have to match. Right? You have to figure out what is the word given. Krishnaha. Krishnaha. Lingam Kim, Pumlingam, Vachanam Kim, Ekavachanam. Right? Once you figure that out, Pumlingam Ekavachanam, then the Sarvanama Padam, corresponding Sarvanama Padam. Pumlingam Ekavachanam Sarvanama Padam. Yeshaha Yeto Yete. Ekavachanam Yeshaha. Yeshaha Krishna. Right? It is easy. So that's what you learned so far. Now, I want to introduce a small concept, which we have been using it already. Akarantaha, akarantaha pumlingaha, akarantaha pumlingaha shabdaha, Krishnaha, Balakaha, Chashakaha. We said these are all akarantaha shabdaha, akarantaha shabdaha, akarantaha shabdaha. What is akaranta? The words are Balakaha, Balakau, Balakaha. You hear Balakaha Visarga at the end, Balakau, Au at the end, Balakaha Visarga at the end, then how does it become Akaranta? Because you remember in Sanskritam, all words are formed by combining a base, Prakrutihi, with a suffix, Pratyayaha, Prakrutihi, Pratyayaha. You combine them, you get the word. That applies to every word in Sanskritam. No exceptions. Prakrutihi, Pratyayaha. Then we have only two kinds of words in Sanskritam. Right? Yes, Sanskritam is easy and simple. Which language has just two kinds of words? Tell me. Every language will be so many kinds of words, right? Confounding. In Sanskritam, you have just only two kinds of words. That's it. What are the two kinds? Nama Padam. Nama Padam. You can roughly say name words. Kriya Padam. Verb words, action words. The technical names for these two are Nama Padam is Subantam. Technical word for Kriya Padam is Tingantam. Don't worry. Don't try to write down these things. No, you are not supposed to know the technical terms at this level. But understand the concept. Okay. So now let us take the Subantam, Nama Padam. For Nama Padam, that base, what we call base is called, technical term is Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is the base. Right now, what we are learning, all this Eshaha, Etau, Yete, Sahataute, these are all name words. All the words we learned so far here. All this. 9, 9, 9, 27, right? Esha, Etau, Ete, Esha, Ete, Etaha, Etat, Ete, Etani, Sahataute, Sateta, Hatattetani, Kahakoke, Kake, Kaha, Kimke, Kani. All these 27 words you learned, they're all Nama Padani, Subantani. So, all of them have a base. Krishnaha, Sanchika, Lekhani. Lekhani, the forms are Lekhani, Lekhanyau, Lekhanyaha. What is the Pratipadikam base here? Lekhani is the base, Pratipadikam. So, what is the ending sound? Lekhani. E. So, Ikarantaha Shabdaha Lekhani. Krishnaha. Krishnaha, Krishna, Krishnaha. What is the Pratipadikam? Krishna is the Pratipadikam. Krishnaha is not the Pratipadikam. Krishna. So, Krishna. What is the ending sound? A. Akarantaha. Akarantaha, Krishna Shabdaha. Ravihi. Kavihi. You know what is Kavi? Kavihi, right? Kavihi. A poet or an intelligent person. Kavihi. Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha. Kavi. Kavi is the Pratipadikam. Kavi. Ending letter is, ending sound is E. Ikarantaha Shabdaha. So, Guruhu. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Guru is the Pratipadikam. Guru, the ending sound is U. Guru. So, Ukarantaha Shabdaha. So, the bottom line, when we say Akarantaha, ukara. What is meant by akarantaha? Akarantaha means one which has akara at the end is called akarantaha. Rama, Krishna, Chashaka. These are all akaranta shabdaha because they have akara at the end. Ikarantaha shabdaha, Nadi, Lekhani. What is meant by ikarantaha? Antaha means end. At the end of the shabda, there is E sound. So it is called ikarantaha. Nadi, Lekhani, Ankani. Akarantaha shabdaha. Sthalika, Lata, Mapika, Sanchika, Sharada, Veena, Ramya, Surya. They have all akara at the end. So akarantaha shabdaha. A shabda which has akara at the end. Clear now, right? So how do you figure that out? By looking at the base, pratipadikam, not looking at the final form, right? Sometimes they match. For example, say lekhani, lekhanyo, lekhanyaha. What is the pratipadikam there? Lekhani. So lekhani is the pratipadikam. And ekavachanam form is also lekhani. So you may get the confusion. Oh, maybe to know the ending sound, you have to look at the ekavachanam rupam. No, you cannot do that. Sometimes it matches, but sometimes it doesn't. Right? For example, Krishnaha, Krishna, Krishna, Krishnaha, Krishnaha. But the base is Krishna. So you have to look at the base, pratipadikam, not at the ekavachanam. In some cases, the ekavachanam form remains the same as the base even after adding the pratyaya. Okay, that's about anta nirnayaha. Right? Now, if you look at the, let me share quickly. You are seeing this side, you just completed this exercise. Go to the next lesson. We are going to learn this in the next class. Kavihi, kavi, kavayaha. Kavihi is the ekavachanam rupam. The pratipadikam is kavi, ikarantaha, punlinga shabdaha. There is a table here. We'll just go over the table. Okay. Akarantaha, punlinga shabdaha. They're not giving the what is that shabda here. It's unfortunate, but it is actually Veda. The ekavachanam rupam is Vedaha. Vedau, Kshamitam. Vedaha, Vedau, Vedaha. The shabda is Veda. Veda. So it's ending in A sound. So it's Akaranta Pullingaha. Kshatriyaha, Kshatriyau, Kshatriyaha. Again, Kshatriya is the Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Kshatriya. Purushaha, Purushau, Purushaha. Pratipadikam kim? Purusha. Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. So if you are thinking all Pullinga Shabdaha end in only Akaranta, Akarantaha, now that will be clear now. So Ikaranta, Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha, Ikarantaha, Pullinga Shabdaha, Harihi, Vishnuhu, Harihi, Hari, Harayaha, Harihi, Pratipadikam kim? Hari, Ikarantaha Shabda, Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha, Munihi, Muni, Munayaha. So these are all Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. How do you say that? By looking at the base, Pratipadikam. So don't worry right now, I'm just introducing the concept. So in the next class, we'll go into detail, like, we'll study this lesson in the next class. Similarly, Vayu, Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, Ukaranta, Punlinga Shabdaha. So it goes like that. Strilinga Shabdaha. Okay? This is just a quick introduction.